Hello guys, my name is Faraz. I am talking from the Brisbane. I have traveled a lot. I have used multiple airlines ranging from the Emirates Airline, Qatar Airways, Turkish Airways, Gulf Airways, British Airways. I have traveled in Pakistan International Airlines, and now I am going to travel in China Southern Airline, which is a very first experience. So when I traveled in Qatar Airways, there was no issue with this type of bag. So basically they allow you maximum 32 kg of a bag, and you can combine all the weight limit of your family. But now I am traveling with the China Southern Airline, and their recommendation is you can carry two bags, like overall 46 kilogram, but each bag shouldn't cross 23 kilogram. So this bag they are not gonna allow to, and they have clearly mentioned that none of the bags should cross the dimension of 158 centimeter overall. So today we are going to talk about the weight limit, and we will talk about the dimensions of the each bag as well. We will talk about the main baggage, and we will talk about the overhead baggage as well. And in the meantime, you can see this one in front of me. So when you talk about the bag wrapping, they charge you. While I was in the UK, they used to charge £12 for each bag, and now I am in Australia, they are charging $24 for each bag. And I have bought, this is a very lengthy, this is basically 220 meter. This is only in 22 Australian dollar, which is equal to 11 pound. Now you should have three things to do all this stuff. First of all, this is a weight scale which is digital one, and I will prefer you to use the digital one because it gives you accurate reading. And second thing is the measuring tape. I'm going to use this one. You can use other type of the measuring tapes as well. And the third thing, if you want to wrap your bags, you have to buy this. I bought it from the Bunnings in Australia. You can buy it from any of the stores in your region. And then now you have to do what? You have to do the weight. So can you come close please to show the weight? And you have to stay clear from the bag. If you are going to touch to the bag, that will increase your weight limit. So here you can say my bag is approximately 23.24 kgs, so which is in the limit, which is perfect. So now we have done the weight of this bag, that is 23 kilogram, and now we are going to show how you have to do the dimensions of this bag. So this is my measuring tape, and now what we have to do, we have to take the measurements in three ways. So first of all, starting from the wheels, this is your height, and if you talk about this is your width, and if you talk about the depth, this is your depth, height, width and depth. So overall bag limit should be less than 158 centimeter. So as I told you, we will start from the wheel, and here you go, you can see this is 76 centimeter, and so you can go from there 76 centimeter. And now we are measuring for the width, and you can see here it's 122 centimeter, and now we will measure about the depth as well. So here you go. So we still have this much, that is approximately 5 centimeter. This overall tape is 158 centimeter. So overall dimension is 158 centimeter, and I have written on my hand. And if you talk about the length, it shouldn't be more than 75 centimeter. This width shouldn't be more than 50 centimeter, and depth of bag shouldn't be more than 33 centimeter, which equals to 158 centimeter. And this one is the ideal bag. So what does it mean? It means our bag is within limit. So weight is 23 kg. As per the weight, it's in the limit, and as per the dimension, this is within 158 centimeter. So if we talk about the cabin baggage, and if we talk about these baggage which we have to put overhead, so the best dimension of these bags is 115 centimeter overall, and this bag is an ideal bag. So if we measure the dimension starting from the wheel, you can see this is 54 centimeter, and if we add width in the 54 centimeter, it goes to 91 centimeter, and if we add this depth, it will be 113 centimeters. So this bag is ideal for your overhead bag, and the dimensions of this bag are exactly 115 centimeters. So if we talk about this bag is in between, smaller than this one and little than the overhead bag. But we have loaded this bag approximately, this is 23 kilogram. If we take the dimension, it should be within 158 centimeter. We are starting from the wheel, and here you go, you can see this is 65 centimeter. So when we take the width of this bag, which is 107 centimeter, and when we add this depth in 107 centimeter, which is still equal to 140. So this bag is also within 158 centimeter, and there will be no issue with this bag. Although you can see this bag is filled very much from the sides, you can see it clearly. So guys, this was all about the dimension of the baggage allowed in the different airlines of the world, and about the weight limit and how to take the weight of the baggage. So I am going to wrap today using this wrapping from the Bunning, and which I have bought, that is 220 meters. I bought this in only $22, which is equal to 11 pound, so which is less than the price of the wrapping of only one bag. So today I am going to wrap. So what we will do, I have already measured this bag. This bag weight is 23 kg, which is within limit, and dimensions of this bag is less than 158 centimeter, which is also in limit. And now what we have to do, we have to wrap this bag using this wrap, which I have bought from the Bunnings here in Australia. So when you are wrapping, you have to take care of two things. You have to free these handles so that the guys who are doing loading and unloading from the aeroplane, so that they can easily hold your bag from this handle or from this handle. And if you can spare this one as well, because once you will get out of the aeroplane, then you have to drag your bag. Okay, that will be easy if you keep these handles free as well. So I will let you know how you can keep these three handles free and how you can wrap using this wrap. So now you can see I have opened the packing of this wrap, and ideally you should have one more person, because you will hold this wrap around the bag and that person will be rotating your bag like this. And if you do that, that will be very easy for you and for that person as well. We start from here. My wife is behind the camera, and yes, that's the easy way to rotate. So you can see here. Okay, yes, that's the easy way. So the first go was a bit difficult, and now you can see we are easily wrapping this. Here we go. That's easy. You can move on the top slightly like this, and you can wrap this as much as you can, because you have a lot of wrap available. So here we go, that's all. So we have wrapped like this, and now we have to wrap along the side as well. So here we go, we will wrap like this. So come that way, come that way. So here you go, you can see. So it's easy wrapping, and when you will change the direction of your bag like this, it will go between the wheels, and here you go again. So it's very easy, it's automatically wrapping around your bag. Okay, you can see this, and if we make it stand again, and here you go. So here you can see that's all about the bag wrapping, which is very easy. So I'm using this knife, and now we can cut this from the sides. Okay, and like this. So this bag is wrapped. Here you go, and you can see this is beautifully secured.